Oh, this is mine? Oh, be careful, huh? Oh, no worries. Our first stop, Statesman St. Anne. This is where we bought our first $1,500 pine. Nice, me. I'm gonna put on my shoes, babe. Huh?
How you want it?
Stuff like that, yeah. But I was thinking only one old. Oh, this is so cute. Well, my dad told me that. My dad planted a lot of pine, but that's in the country. When he was here, he's not living here anymore.
You want to taste it?
Sure. Hold on, let me. Thank you so much.
This is yours? This is yours? Okay.
No, that's not. No, that's mine, yeah.
Okay.
But you can do it this way. You can just press that to turn it around. Press that to push it back.
Thank you very much, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Miss Carol, take care.
Alright, thanks. Alright.
Do you want you to park up $500?
She take up one big one and Mr. Mama.
No, 15.
$1,500.
But as she make her price, she said 1,500. Yes, of course. Coconut stop. My coconut stop. Where's gonna be ours? You choose the one you want.
So them choose it for you, no? Alright, so about how much of them I pull this?
I don't know.
Alright, give me 3 of the 3 bills one them, see? Me I drink one and the next 2 full this. When they put the most drop, you know? Yeah, man.
Drink that one.
Alright.
Oh, this is mine? Oh, be careful, huh? Oh, no worries.
A foreigner alone drink out a straw. Give her a straw. Ben, for them I drink coconut.
Of course.
I can't come in. Excuse me, do I know you?
Nice, Ben.
I think you can. You walk with a spoon. You can open it a little bit and put the spoon in it.
It's a chumps to send them home.
Okay, that's soup, yeah.
Oh, let me throw my water. Throw that water out. Thank you so much.
Janet, run the bill.
Throw them out.
You want to try cow skin soup, bro?
They have cow skin soup?
That me hear them myself.
Yeah, man. Go skin round them, man.
Kind of whole lot.
No pork in there.
Go skin.
Okay, so I know someone want to mix it with it. Yeah, no,
No, man, look what little something I go out with you. Hey, man, no way I do it. No. That's what I try. That's can't come in on the pot.
It's just one. Stop at the. Where is the cheese? Right here. Where's right here?
Money.
Monique.
Yeah, but yeah, league was still, you know.
Oh, this is Galik.
Get best roast, man. Can't start fishing.
First stop of
My
coconut.
family around here, them live at Irons Mountain. You ever hear that place? Eh?
Him know iron.
Irons Mountain. My man down there named Zaki. Lord, holy for your man.
No, what do you know?
Eh?
You know, hold a lot. This is the first one, right? You hold a lot, man. This is a lot.
Yeah, man. Alright. She love the meat.
What?
Holy for water later.
That is good. The best part. You don't feel good, right? The same for me.
Sick, you know, you get me mad.
Look at that, and get that nice.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Active, you know?
Mhm.
Yeah, go try the cow skin soup, you know. Yeah?
Yeah. Natural juice.
It's natural enough, man. You see me?
Oh, they do natural juice as well.
Where you cover the bent?
I have it right here. The coming in water. Just look at the amount of water we get from just 2 coconut.
Alright. See your soup, the
Big
bent.
40-ounce tumbler. Oh my God! Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
You too jelly fully?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So cool, man.
I'm good with coconut because mine is full. I'm good with this.
You're going to try the one.
I'm gonna try this. What's in here?
Yeah, support the thing there and try one of that. Just a minute. Put in. Alright.
So right here at Galig, they do coconut, and not only coconut, they cater. Really, they cater for the cater soup. So that's well.
Eh? I think a cow skin.
Cow skin soup sold right here, right at this spot, right here, right at Galig. Where is this, babe?
With the run one part.
You're kidding me. Oh my God, the road is not so good. You just have to be very careful when driving around here. because of the attractions them have. We're here at Sandcastle, and it's our first time here. With the GPS thinking that, okay, you know, we were supposed to be coming through this gate. Hold on. Hold it properly. Alright, put the date on it for me. So we were supposed to come through this gate. Unfortunately, we did not know because of the GPS. So we entered through this gate here. Unfortunately for us. Anyway, guys, we got our rooms. It was nice. I forgot to video the room, but you know, we were heading off to Appleton Estate. We're gonna have a wonderful evening, and then we go straight to Taboo. As you can see, we try to keep the dress code simple. You know, my heels are not too high, and you know, I have on my little matey bag and all of that. You know, because later on in the evening we're gonna go to another event, and I want to make it easy and chill. Hey babe.
Hey, what's up?
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Even though it's the 30th.
Yeah.
It's an anniversary going to catch us at Taboo.
Yes. Going to Plantation Smokehouse.
Smokehouse. To eat chicken
Chicken and dumpling. Chicken bag.
Chicken and things.
In 500 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Chicken bag and dumpling. Plantation Smokehouse. That my favorite, you know? My favorite, some nice juicy dumpling with curry chicken. Yeah. Where you feel from?
Yo, I just want a nice food, you know. Oh, this one.
It's a straight, right? Same thing going on. Take your time. Hey, you know, we had to take a picture right here. And you know, upon arrival, we realized we were having karaoke night. But unfortunately, you guys won't hear my voice because I sound like a crow. So it's just going to be the video. Anybody ever feel embarrassed after a playback? Trust me, that was so me. I was so embarrassed. I just wanted to bury my head on into the ground like an ostrich. Anyway, I picked myself up and I enjoyed the rest of the night while the karaoke went on and the lovely songs were being played.
Come on, come on!
Come on, you can do it! Thing And that's the end of our first day vacation weekend. Stay tuned for part 2 next day.
The pussy food and jerk. Yo, you're fine. I know it's your face and still.
I did. You like it? Fire on board. Half pound of fish. I'm gonna take a fish now. I'm gonna take it. What do you think? Take it steamed or? No, you want me to take it steamed?
Huh?
Take it steamed? I'll take a 3/4 pounder. Or a half pound is worth it. Half pound of fish and chicken.
What if you want?
No, then I take a half pound fish. Here, fried green plantain, not more.
Vegetarian?
More fried green plantain.
Yo, I'm afraid to order like bami and then something there again, you know.
Because what the way we had it last time. Maybe you can probably try it. And I think them bang that all that bad. Because the bang that, what is in the bang that, babe? Okay guys, so I had to pause the video. There was so much noise, so I paused the video so you guys can actually know. I can actually tell you guys what's really going on. So you don't know, we had to order a fish tea soup. Everybody love fish tea soup. Yeah, and during all this time, we wanted some real nice steamed 3/4 pound fish. Yeah, well, it actually turned out to be, it was good because they didn't really have any okra. Steamed fish without okra is not the best, but it was really good, and I enjoyed it, and the lady that served us, she was really nice. Yeah, very nice lady, and the ambience was amazing. After that, you know, we had to have our coconut water, and yeah, you know, the coconut water nice me real bad. I love my coconut water day and night. I drink coconut water morning, noon, and night. Ladies and gentlemen, trust and believe is my best thing ever. This is all I really want to drink, coconut water. With my food, with my dinner, with my breakfast, after workout in the day at the gym. These are the things I love. This my kid, so you know, Newt was there enjoying his coconut water because he said he wanted to go the healthy way, you know, or so he says. But yeah, we were there enjoying our coconut water. You know me, I had to order a spoon to eat the jelly from within the coconut because I didn't want my coconut chopped. So, you know, I went in from the top and I enjoyed it to the fullest. That's the way I like it. It didn't have a lot of meat, but it was really good. I love the meat within the coconut water. Very nice. Yes, people, the plant slap wet. Nice, me. Yeah. Heading to the beach right after this with a belly full. Yeah, just like that. To the beach, baby. To the beach. And now we're heading back to the hotel for dinner to complete our evening. Okay, go ahead.
Happy anniversary.
Anniversary, honey.
And that's for Marcy. Huh? Hold on, one more can go in there.
Yeah, chicken, yeah, chicken.
Okay. Oh, 7 of them here. And, 10.
We have to put it in there.
Yeah.
Cut?
You want it?
We like it.
Yeah, man. Head back in the city, you know. Eh? How much is it? Hold on. You want jackfruit, Ben?
Thanks for watching Neutral Vibes.